Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for King Bull. King Bull. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 2. Racing just is started, one slow out, and that is I2za. We have King Bull, very quick leader start. Royal Jewels is down on the inside. Next on, let is Pose left. Charismatic, Priceless Joy, Angel of Mercy, Price Dancer comes next, while I2za is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have King Bull in hands of J.B. Hernandez. Now says why we followed. If we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 6 lengths lead. Royal Jewels in second, Charismatic, Pose left, Angel of Mercy comes next, then followed by Priceless Joy, Price Dancer, while I2za is still racing in less than a 4 turn. We have King Bull by about 4 lengths now. Royal Jewels in second, Charismatic, Pose left comes next, then followed by Angel of Mercy, and they are now entering the home stretch. King Bull by about 4 lengths, and in second is Royal Jewels. Charismatic is still in third, moving upon the outside is a Pose left. Last 75 meters, King Bull now he strides away by about 6, and finally King Bull. Royal Jewels, Charismatic, then comes Pose left, Angel of Mercy, Price Dancer, Priceless Joy, I2za.